it's your boy Jaden back at again with another video. So starting this vlog off, we're back in the Sportivo, and since there's a 2-week lockdown where I live, I currently have no job, the unemployment life. But anyways, we just made it to the post office so I can send out these orders right now. But thank you guys so much for 3,000 subscribers. We actually got there in almost a year, so thank you guys so much. And I wanted to give back to the supporters, so I'll be doing a giveaway in this video right now. So all you need to do to enter is to leave a like on this video, make sure you're subscribed and leave a comment, and I'll be picking a few people to give out merch to. But anyways, I gotta quickly hit up the post office and the shop, so I'll speak to you guys when I get back home. Alright boys, so we just made it back to the crib right now. Here's my bed, the streaming setup, we've got the green screen right here. And since we're technically not allowed to leave our house, this is pretty much where I've been chilling. I've been live streaming Forza in my room. What's happening, bruh? So if you guys want to hang out and watch me play Forza, be sure to watch the stream at 10 PM before bed. But after live streaming, I can't say I've been doing too much else. I've been eating food, been watching the NBA. Let's go Suns.
DeAndre Ayton back to Booker. Booker fakes, fires, three-pointer.
Been chilling out on the hammock. Been playing basketball at the mini dome. And I've also found some time to do some fishing. One thing that really pisses me off is when you just wash your car and it either rains or a bird shits on it. And I like to keep my car clean as much as I can, but at this point I'm literally washing it every week. And that's another reason why I sold my EP3 is because I couldn't keep washing it, because apparently my cars are magnets of bird shit and dust. It's actually a really nice day today where I live. It's just really cold. But let me tell you, once it's spring and summer, that's when this channel's finally gonna pop off. There will be not one day where I'll be staying at home. I'll be outside recording vlogs 24/7. We just made it to the car wash right now, and I'm gonna just quickly show you what we're working with. This car is fucked. And this is why we can't have nice things. Bird shit up on the roof. Hella dust. What is this, bro? Hella bird shit, bro. This is disgusting. I'm low-key kind of embarrassed driving this car with all this shit on it. And then you come to the front, hella dust from the rain. And then someone cut their grass and got all their hedge trimmings on my lip. So we definitely gotta wash it.
Hey Lee, I can leave the creek, can't leave my house without that fire. I done been through shit, but I made my way, I paid the price. Gotta get this shit, wanted this shit for my whole life. Can't sell my soul, I'm way too real, got too much pride. Had to go count me them blues, roll me the gas and I slide. Big shit, new bread, big moves. You can't walk a mile on my side.
I'm honestly so hungry right now, and since we're already out, we might as well get something to eat. So I'm gonna head down to Prospect Kebab House. And funny story, the bloke that owns that shop actually trains at the same gym as me. So I'm more than happy to help out a small business, and especially someone that I already know. It's way better than spending your money at Macca's or somewhere else. At least you know where your money's going and you're helping out a mate. But we just pulled up to the shop, so I'll speak to you guys after. Look at all of these pops. This is my type of shop right here. It's the making of the Adana burger. You know what's up.
Mr. J Special, you know what's up.
You know what's up?
Thank you. Alright, see you later. See ya. Such good people, those guys. I definitely recommend you try out their food, and be sure to follow them on Instagram as well. But here we have the Adana burger. They reckon it's Australia's first Adana patty, and I'm not gonna lie to you boys, this stuff is the real deal. Open it up real quick. Look at that. Look at that, mate. Oh my god. The liquid cheese and the sauce, mate, is not normal. So let's eat this one time. This is a serious burger right now. Look, I'm not Gordon Ramsay, but I know good food when I taste it. And that is one quality burger, bro. I ain't going cap.
1 hour later.
Match up with your friend, the Target show. Match up.
Hit it for the camera real quick. Go, hit it for the camera, bro.
That tutu shit, man. Hey, Lee. I can leave the crib, can't leave my house without that fire. I done been through shit, but I made my way. I paid the price. Gotta get this shit, wanted this shit for my whole life. Can't sell my soul, I'm way too real, got too much pride. Had to go count me them blues. Roll me the gas and I slide. Big shit, new bread, big moves. You can't walk a mile in my size. Your brody a chicken like Popeye. We get up and get it on my side. Growing up, I was shown no love, so I'm not afraid to die.
I've been working all night and day, work 9 to 5 and I broke down to 8. I just need to find a way, gotta raise my seed, I ain't down today. Fuck nigga, get out the way, you ain't tryna eat, I'ma come down your plate. Fuck nigga, we ain't high, we hanging, nigga want some, his mind get made. Gotta feed my child, my baby, lay your ass down if you try to take me. I'd smoke a pound a day if I could, sometimes wanna fly away.
I'm gonna wrap up this video here. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe. And if you want to support the channel, be sure to cop yourself some merch. Till next time, guys. Peace.
Count me them blues. Roll me the gas and I slide. Big shit, new bread, big moves. You can't walk a mile in my size. Your brody a chicken like Popeye. We get up and get it on my side.